You ready?
I guess.
What'd you buy, bro?
I think it's a...
Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We got Dalton right here. Oh, alright, we got Dalton right here, jacking up the car. We have a few special parts, don't we, Dalton?
Yes, we do.
Dude, I'm so excited for these parts right here. I have two of the most prettiest parts that I bought on this car right here that I'm about to put on. So, I don't think I'm going to get to this today, the Moroso oil pan, but check this thing out. This thing holds 6.5 quarts of oil instead of 5, and then it also has these baffle doors. Comes with a whole pickup tube and everything, but we'll get to this for a different video. But today we have these mirrors. I bought these APR mirrors that are carbon fiber. Pretty excited. I've wanted these mirrors ever since I honestly had the Evo, so I am super stoked. Before we can put those mirrors on, I promised myself I want to fix the oil leak on this car. So are you excited about the mirrors?
Dude, the mirrors are sick, man.
The mirrors are sick.
The mirrors are probably the best part. Gonna be. As soon as you get spacers, you'll be set. I'd like new wheels, but spacers will do for now.
Yeah, no, you can't ask too much out of me. So yeah, we are planning on getting, like, I think I'm gonna get 20 mil bolt-on spacers in the rear, and then in the front I actually have these nice extended studs that I can't really throw on a bolt-on spacer because it'll hit these, so I'll have to cut them, which I don't want to do. So I think I'm going to just try to find a 15 mil slip-on spacer that'll fit. Dalton and I are going to start taking this thing apart. So I told you guys that I needed to fix the oil leak before I get the satisfaction of putting on my mirror, so I'm going to try to knock this out as fast as possible. First thing we're going to do is take everything apart, like the splitter and the bumper and all that, so we can actually cut this radiator bracket right here because my intercooler is touching it, so I gotta get that done. But I'm just gonna throw you on a time lapse because I really want to get this done to actually put these mirrors on. Guys, we finished, and I just have to give a massive shout out to Dalton right here. We got the oil draining right now with the plug, so if you don't know what we're doing, we are replacing that bung right there with the legit one that we got. Hopefully it'll stop our leak that we've been having for a couple of weeks, and hopefully I can start driving this thing. All right. Alright, so while we wait for the oil dripping on that the return line, while we wait for that oil to drain so we can put a new gasket on there, because if you put like a gasket on top of wet oil, it's not going to work great. So we're going to wait for that to dry, and while we do that, we're going to cut this radiator bracket because I really don't want it wearing a hole into my lower intercooler piping. So we're just going to shave that a little bit, maybe spray just like blast it with black paint so it doesn't rust, and you know. Good?
Wow, that was easy.
That was super easy. Alright, so we actually finished up. We hustled. We did a good job, though. Yeah. Now we're going to unjack it. I got everything settled, so I got a new gasket on. This was our problem this whole time. This guy. If you want to blame anything, hopefully, that's the issue. Replace it with a brand new one so we shouldn't have any leaks. And I also have another brand new one with a new gasket for the Moroso oil pan. So this is just for the few days that I just don't want this car undrivable. I hate when that happens. So, yeah, we're just going to finish up, jack it down, put oil, or we're going to take it off the jacks, put oil in it, and check the level, and hopefully it doesn't leak. So stoked I finally got around to finishing this, because after this, we can finally put those mirrors on. Dalt got a little ahead of himself and started doing the mirrors. I gotta let her get warm anyways. Alright, so we just went around the block, no leaks yet. There is a bit of smoke just from burning off because we touched it and there's oil kind of all over it. But Dalton hopped onto the mirrors, took that mirror off, and now we're gonna throw one of the APR ones. I keep saying ARP, I don't know, but like it's APR. So you gotta get that straight. But I am so stoked for these. I've wanted these for so long. I mean, ever since I liked Evos, I liked these mirrors on them. And Dalton's putting that first screw in, baby. That's so sick, dude. But I know if anyone has an Evo, they're saying that the rear needs more aggression. Is aggression a word for a car? Sure. So I think I'm gonna try to get away with just like buying some ABS plastic and like, you know, making a little splitter for it in the rear. That'll tie it in, because I don't want to buy the JDM bumper yet. I'm not ready for it. Just a little. I'm so pumped for these mirrors, dude. Oh, that was a dinger. Bro, look at these things. I'm in love, Dalt.
Spacers.
Okay, it brings out the spacers, like how bad I need spacers so much, but like
Let's put the whole car back together.
the mirrors is so good, huh?
Let's put the whole car back together.
I know, I'm just kind of filling them in, you know. Oh, baby. I don't know why I really wanted these. We have the whole Evo complete with the mirrors. I am in love. Dalton, I think Dalton likes it.
I love it.
Nice. Dude,
So sick.
so sick. And I guess because there's a little bolt here, they sell like a little shield, I would say. Like a sun shield that kind of covers it.
I think that's what it is.
I think so too, but I'm in love. Now we are going to take it for a 7-Eleven run and maybe head to Justin's with it so he can check it out and just see what Justin bought. They don't know, Dalt.
Oh.
They don't know.
Are we gonna come back here because my windows are open?
Yeah, we'll come back to check the oil and stuff, and then we'll go to Justin's. Alright, so we're actually with Dalt. We're about to head to Justin's house. We got the car pretty sorted. We still have a little bit of an oil leak. I think it's my pan, but I gotta show you what Justin bought here. What'd you buy, bro?
I think it's a 99 323. I think it's a 323i.
Do you know the engine?
He said it has an M52 in it.
Okay.
I really don't know.
So
I don't know a whole lot about BMWs.
So tell us the story about how you bought it. Like what happened?
Well, we've been talking about drift cars.
Right.
And you keep saying you want to buy a 350Z, and I said I want to get a drift car for like maybe $5 grand.
Yep.
So I got this for $1,500. Came with a hydro, came with a turbo, it came with all this shit.
It is NA right now. It is NA right now.
I'm not really gonna use any of it, probably sell most of it. Some of the stuff I can actually use for the Evo.
Right.
It came with a wideband sensor. But like everything's
So
gutted.
yeah,
Like,
he got a ton of parts. It's kind of like he started a drift car project and kind of just like gave up a little bit.
But like he did something with his PCV pipe, so it's not really right.
Right.
I gotta fix that. It's leaking a little bit of oil. But if I want to LS swap this, it's like literally the perfect car.
Right.
It's already primered, so we're gonna paint it. I'm not gonna tell you the color, but
Oh, right. Sunroof delete, sunroof delete.
this is a sunroof delete. I put this in because it's gonna sit in the rain, and that's the only reason the saran wrap
Right.
on here, because it just leaks.
It'll be fixed.
It'll be fixed.
Yeah, it'll be fixed. Let's throw him inside. Oh, we gotta go. Passenger side doesn't have a door handle.
Doesn't have a door handle.
Oh, and he got this wing, dude.
The wing came
this
with
wing came with it. I told him about the exhaust. We're
It's
gonna.
brutal,
yeah, it's brutal. Too much.
Way too much.
But the wheels are hot, boy.
Wheels
We're
are
all
hot, boy.
digging the wheels, I think.
It looks like a drift car.
Oh, Dalt, what are they? Dalt, wheels?
I think the fronts are JNCs and the rears are ESRs, or flip flop.
And we're thinking about 9.5 width.
I think they're 18 by 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
What Chad said.
All right, let's show them the front or the inside.
So it's got a drag racing seat in it.
Yeah, we're a little hesitant.
It's not bad. Like I feel like it'd be good for drifting, but like
Sits really low.
you're really low in it, and like I'm a bigger dude, so
Right.
like, it's not the greatest.
No, he's probably definitely gonna.
Steering wheel is coming off, and I'm gonna I probably won't put a quick release, but I'm definitely gonna put a steering wheel on it. I probably will put a quick release, but I don't know.
Yeah.
And then
But realistically, he bought this to drive it and just start drifting.
yeah, this is a drift missile.
This is a drift missile. Probably a lot of seat time with this. Hopefully not too many projects, but he's definitely gonna make it right.
Brand new brakes.
Brand new, yeah.
Like
I
got the hydro.
So he was originally selling this car for $1,500, and then Justin just started talking to him, and he started just throwing in a ton of parts, like parts on parts on parts.
Extra tires.
Right, yeah, and the extra tires that he got, and Justin just picked it up. He kind of couldn't walk away from it. It was perfect for what he wanted.
CX turbo.
Look at this hydro, dude.
Came with a brand new.
Came with it. Willwood, isn't it Willwood?
It's a Willwood.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Matt.
it's
Yeah.
not really
We know. We all know.
But so it's an inline one, so it just goes inline. So like it's not dual caliper. But if I ever want to upgrade to dual caliper,
We'll switch it. Right.
I'll probably use this because I have it. But until then, you know.
We did finish our project today with the whole mirrors. They look fantastic, but we went for a little cruise with everyone and got all the cars out. Thought it was a sweet shot. I'm super hyped on these mirrors, dude. These things are amazing. I've wanted the Justin, you gonna get a pair?
I don't know. I think it would look weird on my car.
Why?
Just because I don't have like the canards and the big wing.
It still looks clean though.
It does, but oh, maybe.
I don't know. I love them. I'm super happy I did them. But that is it for this video. So the next video we should be doing that oil pan. Justin, you gonna help us?
If you want me to, yeah.
I would love you. So probably next video we are gonna do that Moroso oil pan with the baffles and everything. I am so hyped on that. Probably the prettiest part I have on the car. But for that, the mirrors, dude, the oil pan you haven't seen it yet.
I've seen them before.
But like in person, they're like.
They're really nice. It's nice. I'm gonna get one.
They're minty. You're gonna get one.
I am gonna get one.
Right. It didn't come with that fitting. I told you. I don't know why. Because in the description, it definitely said it.
That's just, I probably won't drive that on the street. That'll probably just be like.
You don't think you're gonna register the?
I might put PSP.
I have a feeling you're gonna do it.
Probably, but
it's just fun to
I
drive.
just need to get it running and driving like good.
Yeah, and reliable. But that's it for this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
Bye, Drift Car.